Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Hope great. Happy New Year to you guys. We thank God for leading us safely into this new year. Yes guys, we have cranberry juice here to help us flush everything we've eaten during these holidays. Cranberries are very nutritious in the body. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and E, and other essential vitamins in flushing your system, keeping your skin healthy. Is anti-inflammatory and is very healthy for our urinary and digestive systems. So guys, let's dive into this video and see how it is made. Cranberries are also loaded in fiber. They are anti-inflammatory and antioxidants, and they are also good for diabetics and pregnant women, also good for females' health. Next ingredient is ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, which is a powerful medicinal property. Ginger is good for your mouth health. It calms nausea, soothes muscles, arthritis, and curbs cancer. We also have pineapple here. Pineapple are loaded with nutrients. They contain disease-fighting antioxidants. They ease digestion, reduce the risk of cancer, boost immunity, suppresses inflammation, ease symptoms of arthritis, and speed up recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. So it's good in flushing out your system, your digestive health. Here we have cloves and black peppers. Yeah, I just showed the seed for you to know the kind of pepper I used, but I'm actually gonna use the blended one in making this recipe because it will be more productive. Black peppers are high in antioxidants and relieve all the free radicals that can damage our skin. They have high anti-inflammatory properties. They benefit your brain, keeping it sharp and healthy. They lower cholesterol level in the blood, and they also reduce cancer. They also fight diseases and very versatile in usage as spice. The next one is cloves, and cloves are full of antioxidants. They help your body fight free radicals that can damage the cells and lead to diseases. They remove radicals from your system. The antioxidants found in cloves can help reduce the risk of developing heart diseases, diabetes, and certain cancers. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. They help in weight loss. They are good food if you want to lose weight. Lemon is good for you. They also prevent kidney stones. They don't let the kidney form stones. They always emulsify fats, flushing all the fats in the body. They fight against anemia. They fight against cancer. They also help the digestive health, making your system to flush and flow freely.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face tonight?
After thoroughly washing the pineapple, peeling off the bark and cutting it, we proceed to blending, mixing all the ingredients together. I already washed my cranberries and the ginger. I peeled off the bark and also chopped it into smaller sizes, making it easier for blending. Then I added the rest of the ingredients to get this succulent, healthy, and fat-burning juice. I also added 2 cups of water to get our juice from it and to let it blend through freely.
the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no, no way.
The juice is ready. Yeah, I now proceed to sieving it with my sieve manually to get the juice from the fiber. You can also eat the fiber, it's very tasty and good. It has nutrients also in it. So but I'm just making a juice, so that's why we went ahead sieving it to get the juice. Okay. Yeah, our cranberry pineapple juice is ready. Now what remains is to add lemon to it. I always like pressing fresh lemon into my juices, so I'm gonna squeeze out the lemon and add it to it, mix everything together, and the juice is ready. So guys, if you want to lose weight and get back to shape, I know everyone must have eaten what you would like and what you wouldn't under normal circumstances. So after this festive season, we all need to just flush out and cleanse our system and go back to shape. So this is one of the juices that will help you. Cranberry juice with pineapple, lemon, ginger, black pepper and cloves. All these ingredients are powerful in cleansing your body system, boosting your immunity, and keeping your digestive system free and flowing, because when you don't relieve all those things that are stuck there, your body will reabsorb all the rubbish that's supposed to flush out, and you will be gaining weight in the process, and disease conditions will continue. Now guys, let's enjoy this juice. It's done. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till this moment. Please give it a like, okay? And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, because there will be more DIYs on natural stuff to help you keep to shape and build your immunity, and also grow your long natural hair. You can see my daughter enjoying this juice. Is very tasty and good, very tasty. Yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments down below, and see you next time in my next video. Bye bye, ciao, see you guys.